I got this new ring from a Tesla accessory place called Tesery. And well, this ring can actually unlock my Tesla. Well, at least as soon as I programmed it to the Tesla. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. Teslas come with a key card as in backup basically, and you're supposed to use your cell phone as the key, which that's what we do all the time. And we have the backup key card, which is the size of a credit card, in the wallet. But then there are times we're going places we don't want to take the wallet or the phone. Like, you know, we're going out and about, who knows what we're doing, going to the beach, going swimming somewhere, going river rafting, going out in the woods. You know, you don't want to take your cell phone necessarily because there's no reception out there anyway. There's no need for a phone. You don't want to take your wallet or the card. You know, it's really like you don't want to bring any extras or unnecessary things. But you got to be able to get back in your car after you lock it. Well, you got to be able to lock it in the first place and then be able to get back in. And that is where this here comes into play. This ring is from Tesery, and this is a Tesla accessory store, and they have different types of rings. So I like this blue carbon fiber look, and blue matches our Model 3, matches our Model S. I like blue in general. So, and these rings work as a key for any Tesla. Well, except for some older Teslas that require a key fob and that only work with the key fob, that don't have the key card. But basically everything since 2018 has a key card, and that ring will work for every one of those Teslas. You just have to program it exactly the same way as you would program a key card to a car, to a Tesla, and that is actually very simple to do. To program any key, you go into the main menu where you use this little car icon down here. That pops up the menu, and then we're obviously going to a locks right there. And then we get this menu, and up here it says add key. So we tap that, and then Tesla is super nice. It gives you the instructions. So then question is, do you want to add a phone key or a key fob or key card? And so we want to add a ring. Now, how do we do that? I mean, that's not an option there. But as I pointed out, this ring here, all these rings from Tesery are just like key cards. So we are going to do key fob or key card, and it says here, scan your new key behind the cup holder to begin. That will be down here, right there. All right. Then tap existing key card to approve pairing. So first of all, I held the key upright like this. You can't lay it flat, you got to hold it like this. And then this pops up, and you got to have your actual key card handy to approve. You put that, you just lay that down there, and then it's approved, and voila, that's it. And actually my app just gave me a notification on the phone that a new key card has been added. All right, and so we got here, right here, that's where it is. It is 7:50 p.m. key card. And then here you can name the key card, and we can name that Mike's Ring here, I guess. Where is let's see, there we go. Oh, there, Mike's Ring. Save. All right, so now you can see here this key card is named Mike's Ring, which is this right here. So now this should be able to lock and unlock the Tesla. Now that said, I can't really show you that while I'm holding the phone here, unless I guess I gotta turn the Bluetooth off, then maybe that would work. So I guess I can do that. But I also, at this point, I do want to use that ring for the Cybertruck, just like here, Tess and Cybertruck, right? See that is another key card that I have, which is the key card that I used here to confirm. This key card goes for the Cybertruck as well as for our Model 3. So you can actually program a key card to as many Teslas as you want, as long as they're yours and you actually have access to them. You can program one key card to all of them, and I can do the same thing with this beautiful ring here from Tesery. There's a code down below in the description, a link down below in the description, so go check that out. They have other cool accessories, but this one here is what I'm looking for, because we're going on an adventure vacation and I'll be so glad not having to carry my wallet or cell phone around with me, but still have a key to get back in the car. And now I'm in the Cybertruck, since I want to use that key here too. Basically same thing, tap down there, and then we look where are the locks, right there. Same menu, add key, same thing, scan your new key to begin. Here it shows a little bit different. It doesn't show a key fob. There's no key fob option for the Cybertruck, at least not at this time. There wasn't one for the Model 3 in the beginning, but people were begging Tesla to make a key fob. I don't know why you would want to carry a key fob. I just want to carry the cell phone. And well, in this case, I don't even want to carry the cell phone. I just want to carry the ring. So now it says scan your new key to begin. And this, it doesn't say where. That's kind of interesting. So it actually is here, if I'm not mistaken. All right, okay. We got it. It popped up now. So I had to go all the way down there, all the way to the bottom. And again, I had to hold the ring on its edge, but go all the way down. And now I got to use the key card to confirm. I stick that down in there and key has been added. And now let's see here. Here we go. Key card 7:55 p.m. That is right now. So we'll tap there. And now I got to name my key again here. And that is Mike. Oh, heck. No, that was not the right one. Where is it here? And the space. And we go where? Oh man, there. It is tough. There. So now that's Mike's ring. There we go. And now you can see there it's named Mike's ring. So that's as simple as that to add the key. Now I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna turn off the Bluetooth function on the cell phone that I'm actually using to record this. And the cell phone is the key for the Cybertruck as well as for our Model 3 over there. So that's how I got in. But I'm gonna turn the Bluetooth function off. That will disable the key function. And then I'm gonna see if my new beautiful programmed key ring here from Tesery works to unlock our Cybertruck and our Model 3. All right, I have disabled Bluetooth in the settings, and I could see the list go away of all Bluetooth functions, including the key functions for the Cybertruck and our Model 3. Also, the app gave me a notification on the phone that the key was disabled, so that it no longer works. And then also here in the truck, actually, let me see if I can show you that. Here in the truck, it shows walkaway lock unavailable since the phone key is disconnected. So lock manually, which means I should be able to, well, instead of use the key card, I can use the key ring now to lock and unlock. Let's try. We'll close the door, and so it's right here on the 8-pillar. And I touched it like this, and it's already locked. The mirrors went in, you probably heard it right away. So I just put my hand flat on it. Again, the ring has to basically be, you can't go like this. So you have to go with either with your fist like this, so that you gotta be at a 90-degree angle with the ring to the vehicle. So if I go like this, there we go. And it's unlocked. And I can go like this. And it's locked. and I can go like this with the flat hand right there. It unlocks, and there, the flat hand, and it locks. So that's the option here with the Cybertruck. Now let's go over here to the Model 3, which is locked. And so I should be able to basically go here. There we go. All right, it unlocks. So same thing, you just kind of go with your fist. Not necessarily like pushing the ring on it, just kind of like this. Or we should be able to go like this. Where is it? There we go. Okay. So, and let's try it again with the flat hand here. There we go. So obviously if I touch with flat hand, if your car's dirty, you're gonna get dirty hands. If you just kind of put your fingers on here like this, there we go, locks and unlocks. So super cool. They have many different designs. I love the blue design with the black inside. Super duper cool. Yeah, go get yourself a Ring. Now I no longer have to bring a phone or a key card to all the adventures I'd like to go on here in the Montana wilderness. Or maybe you're going to the beach. You don't want to necessarily bring your phone or key cards or whatever, but you usually wear your jewelry anyway, right? So you can wear your ring, your key ring, which is, well, is it a key ring? Usually we hang keys on a ring, but we don't have keys anymore really today. At least we don't with a Tesla and the Rivian. It's all via the phone. So yeah, get yourself a ring from Tesery. The link is down below in the description. They have many different designs. There's definitely something you would like. You just seen how easy this is to program, just like a key card, super easy. And again, you can get rid of your phone and key card from Tesla and just go out, have fun while you're wearing this ring. Nobody will even know what it's for. Nobody does know that it is a key to your car. So that is pretty cool. So in any event, give us a thumbs up for this video. Make sure you're subscribed and you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.